How to register for Deutsche Bank online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can register for Deutsche Bank's online banking account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to register for Deutsche Bank's online banking account, it's very simple. First of all, you have to come to the official website, which is deutsche-bank.de. So this is basically a German website on the Deutsche Bank on Germany. So if you're on some other areas of the world and then you want to log into Deutsche Bank of that specific region, you might want to go to that specific URL. There will be a list of the URLs that I'll leave down below, so depending upon your region you can just go to the official URL. Now this is just for the Germans one, and then once you're on this, you'll find the option called digital banking, right? So here just hover your mouse icon over it, and once you're under the digital banking tab, here you will find the option called online banking, and then here you'll find another option that says online banking activation. You just want to make sure to click on online banking activation here. Once you go to online banking activation, it will load up the application in a new page, and since this is actually in German, you might want to go to and translate it with the Google Translator using it English. Now once the application basically loads up over here, it will ask you for some other information of your Deutsche Bank account, your ATM or debit card number, your account information, your sort code, your identification number, whatever else it asks you. It'll ask you for your username and password, and once you have done that, you'll be able to successfully register for online banking on Deutsche Bank. That's all it takes to register for online banking on Deutsche Bank. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.